Good morning, students. This is Value Education Period. Today we are going to see Lesson 6 Being a Leader Revision. Okay, children. Today we are going to do a revision. In Lesson 6 we are studying about the leader Vinoba Bhave. Right? Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave was one of our great leaders. Okay, he wanted to help the landless farmers of India. Right, children? He wanted to help the landless farmers of India. His vision was that every poor farmer should have at least a small patch of land. Right? His vision was that every poor farmer should have at least a small patch of land. So, he found a brilliant way to do this through donations of land by those who had too much land. So, those who had too much land, so from them he want to give donation to the poor people. So, this is called the Bhudan movement. Bhudan movement in the sense, Bhu means land. Dan means gift. So, land gift is the Bhudan. Okay, so Bhudan is Bhu means land. Dan means gift. So, Bhudan movement which is called. So, Bhudan movement is give donation to the poor people. Land donation. Okay. So, most of them, you can see in many places, most of them ask donating money or food or clothes. But Vinoba Bhave asked for donation of land. Okay, so he walked hundreds of miles pursuing rich landowners to give away some of their land to poor families. So he only asking to the rich people who's having the landlord like that. So landowners to give away some of their land to the poor families. So the landowners saw his sincere Vinoba Bhave was. So Vinoba Bhave was keen on helping the poor. Right, he want to helping the poor. The landowners were happy to donate some of their land. Later on, more and more people come to hear about Vinoba Bhave and his Bhudan movement. Soon others started walking with him. So they formed a team. Under his leadership, they went from village to village collecting land for the poor. So thus, under Vinoba Bhave's leadership, thousands of acres of land were gifted to poor farmers and their families. So under his leadership, most of poor farmers get land from the landowners. Okay, from that what we understand, children, Vinoba Bhave create the Bhudan movement. Okay, Bhudan means, Bhu means land and Dan means gift. Bhudan movement. So that means land gift. So Vinoba Bhave wants to donate land. Okay, he don't want any money, food or clothes. So he wants to donate land from the richest peoples. Okay, so Vinoba Bhave asked the donation of land. We walked hundreds of miles pursuing rich landowners to give away some of their land. So he asking to the landowners to give some of the land to the poor families. So from that, under his great leadership, most of poor farmers get land from the landowners. Okay, so now the landowners were very happy. At the same time, the poor people also happy because they are getting land from them. Right, children? So now we are going to see a small video about Vinoba Bhave and his leadership. So listen, children. So under his leadership, most of poor farmers get land from the landowners. Okay. From that, now we are going to see the book back exercise and question answer. Now you can recall the lesson, I think so. So we started our book back exercise. Okay. Everyone take your book with you. Okay. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. First one. Every organized activity needs a leader or cheerleader. Okay, tick the correct answer. Every organized activity needs a leader or cheerleader. Every organized activity needs a leader or cheerleader. The answer is leader. So leader is need to lead or convey the information to the team members over there, right? So the answer is leader. Every organized activity needs a leader. Vinoba Bhave, second one. Vinoba Bhave was keen on helping the poor to become rich or own some land. Vinoba Bhave was keen on helping the poor to become rich or own some land. The answer is own some land. Right. So he want to help the landless farmers. Right. He want to help the landless farmers. Every poor should have at least a small patch of land. He thinks like that. So he want to give helping the poor to own some land. Third one. The role that a leader or a landowner plays is somewhat like the role of the yeast in dough. The role that a leader or landowner plays is somewhat like the role of the yeast in dough. So the answer is leader. Here the yeast in dough means if you add yeast in the dough, so it makes it very soft. Okay, it makes it very soft and make the dough rise. Okay, so based on that, so make the dough rise. So based on the team member, the leader should make the team members rise and make and convey with them in a very soft manner. So the role that a leader plays is somewhat like the role of the yeast in dough. Then fourth one, a good leader always protects or scolds the team members. A good leader always protects. Right. The answer is a good leader always protects the team members. The answer is protects. Now fill in the blanks. Dash is the ability to motivate people to take up a task and do it well. Dash is the ability to motivate people to take up a task and do it well. The answer is leadership. So leadership is the ability, right? So leadership is the ability to motivate people. If a leader should be motivate others and he should do the task very well, right? So the answer is leadership. Under Vinoba Bhave's leadership, dash were gifted to poor farmers and their families. Under Vinoba Bhave's leadership, the answer is lands. Right, lands were gifted to the farmers and their families. So under Vinoba Bhave's leadership, lands were gifted to poor farmers and their families. Then third one. A good leader must win the dash of the people. A good leader must win the dash of the people. The answer is hearts and minds. Hearts and minds. Definitely a good leader should care about other hearts and minds. Fourth one. Those who misuse their dash are betraying the trust that people repose in them. The answer is power. Those who misuse their power are betraying the trust that people repose in them. Next, write true or false. Under Vinoba Bhave's leadership, thousands of pieces of cloths were gifted to poor farmers. It is right. Thousands of pieces of cloths. No, they are gifting lands, right? So the answer is False. Second one, a leader has to be a good organizer and a good communicator. So definitely a leader should be good organizer and good communicator. So the answer is true. Next one, a good leader inspires his team and builds their confidence. Is it right? A good leader inspires his team, right? So and builds their confidence. So this is right. So the answer is true. Leaders, fourth one. Leaders should get the job done by threatening and frightening people. Is it right? Leaders should get the job done by threatening or frightening people. Is it in a wrong way? He could not be threatening or frightening people, right? So the answer is false. Then we are going to see our, let's sing and answer, question answer. Question is, what was Vinoba Bhave's vision for poor farmers? What was Vinoba Bhave's vision for poor farmers? The answer is, Vinoba Bhave wanted every poor farmer to own at least a small piece of land. Right? Vinoba Bhave wanted every poor farmer to own at least a small piece of land. Okay. Then second question. Why did the rich landowners agree to give away some of their land? Why did the rich landowners agree to give away some of their land? The answer is, the rich landowners donated their lands because they could see that Vinoba Bhave was sincere in working for the poor and not for himself, right? So he is working for poor people, so he is not working for himself. So the rich landowners donated their lands because they could see that Vinoba Bhave was sincere in working for the poor and not for himself. Third question. From this story, with the two qualities do you think are the most important for a leader to have? Okay, so here answer is, leadership qualities that emerge from this lesson are setting an example, being pure in motives, being persistent even when things are difficult, believing in the cause. Okay, so everyone learn it again, read the question answer and read the book back exercise again. Okay, thank you.